Kung gusto nyo ng isang 4-door, possible for a very bulletproof na sasakyan for Grab passengers. Oh, eto na, yung Mirage G4. So ayan, gusto mo start na natin. Start na natin. Well, hindi ko siya isi-start. So start muna tayo sa start muna tayo sa interior shot. Okay, interior shot. Ayan. Very basic vehicle, and especially perfect for beginners. Well, kasi napapansin ko ang dami-dami nito sa TikTok eh. Ito yung first car daw nila, since kasabihang napakatipid nga naman sa gasolina, since this is a 3-cylinder engine. So yeah, napakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung magiging treat just for a bit natin. So yan, we will start with the accessories. So ito yung infotainment system natin. So hit OK. Yan, ganyan yung natin, itsura niyan. I believe na ito ay isang Bluetooth audio ready na lang siya. But obviously, kung di ka pa nakokontento dito sa sa infotainment system ng Mirage itself, you can upgrade naman sa aftermarket, like sabihin natin na Pioneer one, yung Kenwood brands, yan yung mga radios natin, infotainment tattoo din na pwede nyo siyang pagpapalitan. So as I turn the key para lang makita yung natin, yan, ganyan yung instrument cluster natin. Hindi ko lang siya may lapit, so wait lang. Yan, ganyan yung itsura ng instrument cluster natin kapag nabuhay na siya, pag naka-on position na to. So yan yung tachometer natin, and then sa malaking speedometer natin sa gitna, and I presume na ito yung odometer reading natin, 10 kilometers pa lang eh. And that is the gear selector beneath, and then syempre wala itong analog na thermometer, so ayun yung temperature gauge. It says there the cold one. Yan. Tapos patay lang natin para hindi lang tayo mag-aksaya ng battery. Ito naman yung audio controls. Audio controls is only available dito sa Mirage variant. Yan, for the volume down, volume up. Tapos to answer your phone calls, ayan, dito siya. And then yung voice command if meron naman lang. So ayan. But this one, here it is. Ayan. Bubayan lang natin yung para lang makita niyo yung thermometer. Tapos yan, yung aircon natin, controls natin. In fairness, ibang-iba yung aircon controls na available lang natin dito. For the air, wala lang siya dito dun sa windshield. Okay, so ito yung recirculation, and you want fresh air outside or just lock in the air inside only. Tapos ito yung gear selector natin. Gear selector is park. Tapos yung B stands for engine brake, in which it would indicate na the same way as you understand this one for as a low gear. Yan. Yan. Okay. So, dito na tayo. Okay. Now, let's go outside, but pakinggan nga natin hazards. Okay. Nice. Very cutesy nga naman yung tono natin. And then, here are the seats. Yung seats natin dito, yan. It isn't leather, fabric type lang siya. But, in order for us to see it, buksan yan. Buksan natin. Yan. More lighting. More joyful. Tapos, as a typical fashion ng Mitsubishi, andito yung central locking natin dito. Yan. Pinipigil niya since nakabukas yung sasakyan. But yeah, in order for us to activate that one, shut it once again. Yan. Yan. By the way, these has buttons. Good move by Mitsubishi on this one. Yan, may physical buttons siya dito. Rotary knob, then yan. The only way to do the central locking is to just flick the switch here. Just flick the lock actuator. Yan. Ano lang siya. Yan. Okay. So, yan naman. Everything's completely plastic. Yan, plastic material. Yan. Tapos, the driver's side is the only one automatic up and down. Tapos may mga storage nga naman tayo dito. Really elegant nga naman, as it should be, as for a car. Wala tong ano, as a basic trim nga lang naman, eh, no leather wrap or anything, no leather stitching, yeah. Yeah. Okay, yung air vents design is rotary, so madali siyang i-control at itutok sa mukha mo, most likely. Tapos ano natin dito, in fairness sa murang kotse na to, meron siyang ano, powered to adjust the side mirrors and to indicate the left or right. Yan. Okay, let's go outside. Then let's see what's in store for us. Tapos before anything else, let's flick the switch this way. Yan. Yan. Right. Oh, by the way, vehicle at ticket nga pala. Dito kayo hahawak ha. Tapos close the door. Yan. Give it a good slam. There you go. First things first, yung wheels and tires natin. 4 lug nut spec. And then ang sukat natin is 180. Yep, this is a 185 by 55, tapos R15. Yan. Tapos silver finish nga naman tayo dito. Tapos naka ano na siya, front disc brakes na siya. Tapos rear drum brakes naman dito sa likod. Siyempre same tire width, tapos same yung ano, wheel size natin dyan. Same design obviously. Yokohama nga pala yung ano natin, brand ng ating tires. Okay, for the front side nga naman ng Mirage G4, yan. This is way different comparing dun sa ano natin, sa hatchback version ng Mirage. So yeah, with the two designed, it's like a twin designed lines dito sa front grille, and it has a combination within the black trims, then a chrome accents dito. And syempre, chrome na rin yung ano, yung diamond badge ng Mitsubishi. And look at that. Parang fix na siya ng nagkaroon ng ano, ng front spoiler kit. A bit of a design nga naman. But this one doesn't have any fog lights. Yan. Just to mention for anyone. Ganun siya. Right. So, speaking of ano, ito yung harap. Tingnan natin yung ano, yung headlight switches natin dito. Headlight switches. In order for you to open them, simply open this one. And yan, yan. Yung itsura nyon, hindi ko na binuksan yung headlight, ano yung high beams. Yan, ito yung itsura nun. There you go. Tapos, expected naman na ano, na halogens nga naman yung ano, yung ano natin, bulbs natin, light bulbs. Ayan. Ito naman yung sa ano, tail lights. There you go. And syempre, dito lang sa tail lights. Ayan. Very, very ano naman, very bright naman. No worries. Pero syempre, it is up to you naman kung gusto mo talaga i-upgrade naman yung ano natin, bumbilyan natin dito for the Mirage. Yung iba nga nagpapalag na nga ng LEDs eh. Iba nilalagay nga ng HID yung ano, yung mga headlights natin. So nice. So, transmission natin sa ano, CVT. So let's open the yan. Let's open the ano, engine hood natin. It's weird. It's really hard to close that door. Ayan, ito yung makina natin. 3-cylinder engine. Tapos ano yung ano, engine code natin? It is a 3A92 double overhead cam. Tapos may Mavic. Very small 3-cylinder. Very cutesy. Tapos naka ano na siya, default na Motolite Gold. Yan. This is come from the factory itself. Yan. Madami mga exposed dito. This is okay. Normally makikita ko na dapat yung ano dito eh, yung ABS module. It's right over there eh. But yeah, I think there's a difference between the hatchback and this one from the Mirage G4. Okay. Right. So yan lang naman ang napapansin ko. Then this is for the dipstick. Okay. Nice. Right. Tapos be careful na lang if ever magpapa-engine detail kayo. Cover up the sensors and cover up obviously yung alternator natin. Yan. Like that. Tapos yung old traditional na radiator cap still there, very visible. And this is for the coolant perhaps. Not to mention, ito naman yung washer fluids. Yeah. Ayun o. Ano napapansin nyo dito? Papunta, nagiging primer na to. Tapos nagiging fade na yung pula. Ayan. Tapos ito na yung red paint. Papansin lang namin, really interesting. But hindi na lang nila tinuloy yung pula dito. Mamaya may mga technician ng Mitsubishi dito, and just comment down below kung bakit nga ganun. Ayan, diba? Okay, so time to put it down, and tingnan lang natin yung fuel door and what is it actually store for us. Okay, so open the grab handle right over here. And syempre, I would expect na maluwag ako dito. Ayan, diba? 5'5". And napakaluwag ng legroom space. There's not much na naman to play with here kasi wala siyang air vents. Meron lang siyang single cubby right over there. Is that true? Nga, okay, wala siyang side pockets dito sa mga pintuan. But yan, yung speakers kasi nandiyan lang din. Ayan. Yan. Tapos wala rin siyang ilaw dito. This is really a perfect time na just to say na this is a perfect Grab car. Kaya pala ang dami bumibili nito Automatic, napakatipid sa gasolina, napakadali lang din i-maintain, mura rin i-maintain. And yeah. Tapos meron pa ditong cup holders yan. So bale pala to? Tatlo siya. Meron dito, tapos meron dito. Yan. Okay. And this is not new for you guys kasi wala syempre meron na kayo nito. marami na meron ganito. So yeah, you see those light? Yeah, that's a light. It's no problem. Okay, yeah. Ang laki-laki ng headrest, mo. Yan, kung di pa magpas pa ulo mo dyan, just me. What else do we want to look at? Tapos yung fuel door nga pala ito. Saan natin? Okay, order for this. Okay. Yeah, unleaded fuel only. This is there. There's the cap. Shut off. Next, this one. Tingnan natin kung mabubuksan ba natin. I think there is a latch. Okay, or let's get the key. Ang hirap isara nito Ito Put this one, insert this one, and you know what? Jumps out para mabuksan mo. Very, very maluwag. Ayan. Nakang problema sa cargo space dito. Lagay ka pa na subwoofer yan. But I have to say, comparing dito sa Vios, syempre, mas mahaba yung Vios for the mas maluwag yung Vios when it comes to cargo space. But yeah, it's still there. It's really, really good. Tapos yung ample amount of storage natin. Spare tire right over there. Spare tire dito. And let's shut it down as yung keys natin dito. And very easy to shut it off. Ano pa ba ang pwede natin usapan natin dito? Nothing else naman So yan. So one last bit before we go. Ito yung mga prices nan. And syempre mga available colors natin. Yan. Pansin ko ba't wala nga palang black na Mirage G4? Baka siguro boring tignan. Ayan. Blacked out trims natin right over here. And then air louvers. Haha. There you go. Meron siya dito. Okay. Dual SRS airbags. Ayan. Okay. Nice. And let's shut it off. Yeah, I think this is for the voice command ba to? Or for the I think for the mic na to. Kapag when you're answering a call, this is for the mic. Nice. Okay. Wala naman na akong kailangan pag-usapan pa. I think lahat naman na nasabi ko. Ang hirap sarado niyan. But yan, needless to say, thank you very much. Like, comment, share, and subscribe guys. So yun lang. Look at the red paint. Panalo. Peace. Thank you very much. Bye.